Good morning, students. Page number 24, till riddles. I explained. Now, see page number 24, word building. Okay, here word building given. Here the definition also given. Okay, reduplication. Reduplication means what? The root or stem of a word is repeated exactly the same or with a slight change. Okay, root or stem of a word is repeated exactly the same word with a slight change. Sometimes slight changes, sometimes exact same. Okay, repeated root or stem of the word. Now see example also given. Tweet, tweet, same. Okay, here the root or stem of a word is same. Okay, now see pitter patter, here little slight change. Pitter patter. Chit chat, here also slight change. And bang bang, same. Riff raff, little change. Okay, such words are called reduplication. Okay, stem or root of a word is repeated exactly the same and sometimes slight change. Okay, example. Now in your notebook write 5 examples. Okay, that is your homework. In your notebook write 5 examples, same like that, not these words. These given words no need to write again. Okay, different word you have to prepare. Next, see blending. Okay, here parts of 2 or more words combine to form a new word. Okay, 2 or more word combine together and form a new word, that means blending. Example given, see breakfast plus lunch, brunch, together called. Okay, smoke plus fog, smog, motor plus hotel, motel. So many words are there. Okay, that also in your notebook write 5 example of each of the above type. That means blending words. Okay, you write 5 more words. Next, clipping. Clipping means reducing a word to one of its syllables or a part of it. Means you reduce the words. Okay, clipping, clip it. Okay, means reduce the size of a word. For example, see here given mathematics means maths. Okay, in short form we use maths. Advertisement, ad. Okay, and laboratory, lab. Library, lib, lib we use. Okay, so many words are there. Okay, you write 5 example. Clipping word. Okay, reducing a word to one of its syllables or a part of it, that means clipping word. And blending means what? Parts of 2 or more words combined to form a new word. Okay, and reduplication means the root or stem of a word is repeated exactly the same or with a slight change. That example also given. Okay, and next, acronym, that words formed from the first letter of each of the words in all. That means acronym. Okay, first letter. See for example BBC, British Broadcasting Corporation. Okay, USA, United States of America, ATM, all time money, VIP, very important person, like that. Okay, date of birth, DOB means. Okay, now same like you write 5 example of each. Okay, these all. First you read this, read the definition. Afterwards you do your homework. Okay, blending, reduplication, blending, clipping, acronym. Okay, all 4 definition you read. That 10th standard also same portion, so please you read it. Okay, 9th standard also repeated such words. Okay, reduplication, blending, clipping, acronym. Okay, this is your homework. Now see page number what? Next, page number 25. Page number 25. Okay, grow a sentence. How you grow a sentence? Okay, frame a meaningful sentence in English. It should be short or simple. For example, yesterday I bought a story book. Means you sentence, grow a sentence means one you add one word new, one word new, and grow the sentence. Okay, develop that sentence. That means write it down on a card. Okay, next day try to expand the same sentence. Means, see, first day you written only yesterday I bought a story book. Okay, and next day you try to expand the same sentence. Okay, again, yesterday I bought a story book. After that you continue, written by who? Rabindranath Tagore or Leo Tolstoy, whatever it is. Oh, you add few words again. Okay, in this way you grow a sentence. First day you write 3-4 word sentence, again next day you join few words, same sentence you continue it. That means, okay, on the third day expand the previous sentence, even more words you have to add third day. Okay, see, for example, yesterday I bought a story book written by Leo Tolstoy, who is a famous Russian writer. After that, next day again you have to explain. Okay, and keep this up till you can. Daily you write 2 word or 3 extra words. Okay, means related to that topic only. Yesterday I bought a storybook, means after that you expand that sentence. Okay, use new words. That means what? Grow a sentence. Keep this up till you can. Make sure there is connectivity and proper meaning to your final output. Final, which you will get that written about that yesterday I bought a storybook. Proper meaning to your final output. Confirm if your final sentence is appropriate from your teacher. After that you show your parents or any grandfather, grandmother, you show it. Okay, now no school, no so. That's why I said. Next, see. Now next, a proverb a day. Choose a proverb every day. Proverb means that thoughtful proverb where there is a will, there is a way. An apple keeps the doctor away. Like that, health is wealth. Like that, these all proverbs. Okay. Choose a proverb every day. Try to understand its meaning and implied meaning, if any. You try to first you read that proverb, then try to understand that proverb's meaning. That also important. Okay. Write the proverb in a special book and explain its meaning in a different font. For example, a stitch in time saves 9. That means bad habits or weaknesses should be controlled or corrected in time before they become a habit. Okay, stitch in time saves a 9. That means you correct it on time. Okay, see, now write a new proverb. Write a new proverb each day till you have a good collection of at least 25 to 30 proverbs along with their meaning in simple words. Okay, daily you collect one. Within 1 month you collect 30 proverbs. Okay, and along with that proverbs meaning. You may share and discuss with your teacher or parents or classmates. After that, it will improve your knowledge, improve your English, improve your writing skill. Clear? Okay, grow a sentence, a proverb a day, please. Okay, then you will get good marks in English also. Okay, grow a sentence daily like this, whatever I said just now, like that only. Daily you add two or three words. Next day again 3 words. Next day again 3 related to that topic only. Okay, which topic you written first day, then that connectivity will be there. Okay, that means. Next, see. Last year expressions given using a similar pattern as for proverbs. Think a situation and what expression comes out spontaneously in spoken English. For example, situation, shock. Expression, oh no. Situation, joy. Expression, oh how lovely. Like that. Okay, these all expression also you try to read, or after reading you will get such expression. Okay, clear? Now unit 1 over. Whatever 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, after that these all word building. Okay, reduplication, blending word, clipping, acronym, grow sentence, proverb a day, these all you read. Okay, prepare well. your unit 1 completed. Thank you.